So I finally have the roll pan in, and I'm assuming it's called the roll pan. It's the rear end. I finally got everything lined up. So this is the video about how I got that lined up and everything like that. And I will go ahead and go from there. As you'll see, I'm going to add in a photo of or a clip of somebody else doing the exact same thing, just to show you guys where I'm at and let you know that I'm doing it just like any other professionals do. So hope you like it. What he's doing right there is actually cutting out um, the flooring, I guess you could say. And then he's going to actually replace the end rail just like I did, but he's going to replace everything, whereas I did not. Um, Financially, it just didn't make any sense to me to be doing that. Also, this is not a new car, whereas that one was a newer car. My car is a 2013, so it's now going to be, 12 years old. And even though it has 95,000 miles on it. So I chose not to do it that way. So I think that if I take a board and push right there and then hammer that way, it'll release that kink right here. Not a big deal. You can hear it. It's just got pressure against it. So that'll come out. Anyway, I'm ready to go. Put that bumper back, or get everything all tacked in, put the bumper back in, and then put the interior back in. It's all ready to go. Guys, remember to like and subscribe. This is going to be part of a full length video. As soon as I get done, I will actually put up some more videos about me painting the bumper cover and the tailgate. And then I think we will be done, and I will put down together all the videos and pieces along with how I rebuilt this car, and move on from there. Then we will do some updates on how I'm going to keep this car, and I'm going to sell the 2017 Subaru Legacy. It's just got higher mileage on it, and I need to get that one moved out and gone so I can move on to the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe, so you know when I put out the full video and when I'm finally complete. So we'll see you then.